during Stars and Days? Yun yung memorable sa akin.
Nung first time kong tumungtong sa GMA, kasi hindi ko inaakala na magiging parte ako ng bahay na tatanggapin ako at tutupin ako ng GMA at aalagaan nila ang pagtitiwalaan at saka, alam niyo yun, susuportahan ka sa pangarap. Hindi ko makakalimutan yan kasi sila yung naniwala siya. Yung ano na nagsisimula.
Unforgettable ka po sa memory siguro is nagkaroon ako ng first teleserye, GMA, yung Villa Quintana, kasi doon talaga nag-start yung maging story ko. Naging career ko dito sa industry na.
Lahat naman, forgettable. Siguro, since sa gala ko, siguro yun na lang, every time na nasa gala ko, unforgettable. Since lahat kami dito kompleto, and nakakamit kami ng bagong tao, and yun, saya lang, saya.
Actually, sobrang dami eh. Pero, I think, siguro since nandito na rin tayo, every gala actually, because everyone's here, we're celebrating GMA, our home network, and we get to see everyone with their beautiful gown and their handsome suits. The GMA gala.
Siguro bukod sa Running Man, of course, is yung Sangre. Sobrang, hindi ko in-expect ever na mapapasali ako yun. Or magiging, bearer ako ng PHN. So, for me, ito talaga yung something na hindi ko makakalimutan. And talagang tinitreasure.
Siguro yung isa, yung contract signing her. Kasi for me, yun na yung nakapagpasabi sa akin na parang ito na yung simula talaga na pinagkatiwalaan ako ng network. And tuloy-tuloy na to hanggang saan man kami abutin.
My most unforgettable memory as a Bacosa is a lot, honestly. But I would say it's doing Running Man. Kasi it was surreal. Nung binigay siya sa aking project, I couldn't believe that it was as big as that. So yeah.
Siguro yung first kong nakukuha ng teleserye, which is Prinsesa ng City Jet. For me, pinaka-unforgettable kasi yun yung first ever teleserye ko. And talagang ang dami kong na-explore with my character. So, yeah.
For me, I think it's receiving a big role, a lead role in Maka. That's that, kasi it's my first show, so medyo kabado ka, adjusting face, but overall, that's one of my best and most promising moments.
Ang pinaka-memorable kasi for me ang Bubble Gap kasi matagal akong part ng longest gag show. I was part of Bubble Gang for almost 7-8 years, I think. So, masaya siya kasi marami rin akong mga naging kaibigan, ganyan din na talaga ako nagalala. So, I think yun talaga yung pinaka-favorite part ko of being showbiz.
Wow! Actually, yung na-sign kami kasi hindi namin ina-expect na magkakaroon kami agad ng show. Tapos na-sign agad kami. So for me, yun yung memorable talaga kasi growing up, talagang basketball eh. Basketball yung first love namin. And to be able to showcase our talent sa GMA.
Acting skills.
Acting, yes. And ma-sign, sobrang memorable na yun para sa akin.
Ako naman yung unforgettable. So far, syempre, yung mapabilang sa Encantadia Chronicles Sangre.
Oh, lalayo pa ba, no?
Oo. So yun, sobrang blessed and thankful.